the foot of the Sierra Negra volcano, in the state of Puebla, is the Gamma Ray Observatory HAWC High-Altitude Water Cherenkov. Its more than 300 detectors, located at 4,100 meters high, have studied in recent months the particle rain created when the high-energy gamma rays hit the Earth's atmosphere. Their results shed light on the unusual origin of a form of antimatter. The laboratory promoted by Mexico and the United States has investigated the origin of a type of particles that are part of antimatter. In particular, scientists have analyzed the provenance of positrons, elementary particles with the same mass and spin as electrons, although their charge is just the opposite. In other words, as Nobel Prize winner Paul Dirac predicted, positrons are the antiparticles of electrons, and today they are applied in medicine to diagnostic techniques such as PET positron emission tomography. To date, several detectors, such as the PAMELA Observatory or the Fermi Large Area Telescope and AMS experiments, had discovered that, for some reason, more antielectrons than would be expected reach our planet. What remains a mystery is its provenance. For about a decade, researchers have considered two possibilities about the excess of positrons that reaches Earth. On the one hand, some scientists suggest that the additional particles would come from pulsars, a type of stars that spin very fast on themselves, ejecting electrons, positrons and other types of particles. The second hypothesis, on the other hand, points out that positrons would present a more exotic origin, perhaps related to dark matter, the mysterious form of matter that does not emit radiation and that makes up 26% of the universe. The HAWC Observatory has been dedicated to making the first measurements in detail of two nearby pulsars, Gamma and PSR B0656+14, to determine if they are indeed the source of excess positrons reaching the Earth. Although the stars are at the ideal distance and have a suitable age to work as a factory of antielectrons, the data obtained rule out that both pulsars act as the origin of these particles of antimatter, since they are surrounded by a kind of cloudy cloud that prevents positrons from escaping in the direction of our planet.